Butterfly wings can be made easily using cardstock or wire hangers and stockings. You can also paint and decorate them to make them extra colorful and fun. First, draw the wing outline on cardstock or use a template. Cut out the wings and make 2 sets of holes in the middle for attaching straps. Paint the wings and allow them to dry. Thread a rope through the top holes from the painted side and push the ends back out through the bottom holes to create backpack-like straps. You can pull any excess rope back up through the top loop you created on the painted side to give your butterfly antenna. To make butterfly wings from hangers, bend the non-hook sides of 2 wire hangers into wing shapes and cover them with stockings. Knot the stockings close to the hanger and wrap the hooks together with tape. Attach elastic loops to the wings as armbands. Paint the wings if desired and let them dry before wearing.